So affects intraday core strategy. 6 questions when looking at a chart. What is the market doing? Is it trending, ranging, or noisy? 2. What are the moving averages doing? Are they in the correct order? Are they pointing in the direction of the trend? Are they crossing over each other? 3. Where are the obvious support and resistance levels? 4. What part of the pulse or cycle is price currently in? With the trend or counter trend? 5. What are the price action candles doing? Are they forming a pattern? 6. Do we have higher time frame direction agreement? Where are the hidden obstacles? Core strategy rules for a buy. Chart time frame 1 hour. Place entry orders between 7 a.m. and 4 p.m. Always wait for the close of the candle. And remember, trade only currency pairs with a spread less than 8 pips. Is price above the 20, 50 and 200 moving averages? Are the moving averages in the correct stacking order? Is the RSI pointing up? Is price close to or bouncing off the 20 moving average? The bullish entry signal should be one of the following: a rejection candle, hammer. Green reversal colour is a bonus. An inside candle, an engulfing candle, ideally small to medium sized. An indecision candle, a doji, needs a bullish candle to confirm. 1 hour chart entry requires 4 hour and a daily higher time frame agreement. Are they all bullish? Identify higher time frame horizontal levels on the 4 hour and daily chart. Are there any nearby hidden obstacles, resistance? Entry 2 pips above the highs of the candlestick or direct to market. Stop loss 5 pips below the low of the candlestick or behind the 20 moving average. Target minimum 1 to 1. So here we have a buy setup. Are the moving averages in the correct stacking order? 20 above the 50, above the 200? Yes. So here we have entry, stop loss, and our target. RSI must be pointing up. Buy entry, buy order, 2 pips above the high or direct to the market. So 2 pips above the last candlestick. Our target, previous resistance or 1 to 1. Our stop loss is 5 pips below or behind the 20 moving average. Core strategy rules for a sell. Chart time 1 hour. Place entries between 7 a.m. and 4 p.m. Always wait for the close of the candle. Never enter a trade halfway through a candle. Remember, trade only currency pairs with a spread less than 8 pips. Is price below the 20, 50 and 200 moving average? Are the moving averages in the correct stacking order? Is the RSI pointing down? Is price close to or bouncing off the 20 moving average? The bearish entry signal should be one of the following: a rejection candle, example shooting star. Red reversal colour is a bonus. An inside candle, an engulfing candle, ideally small to medium sized. An indecision candle, a doji, needs a bearish candle to confirm. 1 hour entry chart requires 4 hour and daily higher time frame agreement. Are they all bearish? Identify higher time frame horizontal levels on the 4 hour and daily chart. Are there any nearby hidden obstacles on the higher time frames, for example, support levels? Entry 2 pips below the low of the candlestick or direct to market. Stop loss 5 pips above the high of the candlestick or behind the 20 moving average. Target minimum 1 to 1. Intraday core strategy, a sell setup. 200, 50, 20 moving average. Entry here. Stop above, target below. Sell setup. RSI must be pointing down. Sell entry. Sell order 2 pips below the low or direct to market. Target order, previous support or 1-to-1 reward to risk. Stop loss, 5 pips above the high or behind the 20 moving average. Sell entry, sell order, 2 pips below the low or direct to market entry. So we're 2 pips below the low of the previous candle, or target order, previous support or 1-to-1 risk to reward. Stop loss, 5 pips above the high or behind the 20 moving average.